What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rick Scale RC. Thanks for joining me. So, hope everybody's having a good day today. Today's going to be a little different. Instead of working on one of the RCs, I'm going to be talking about something I got coming up in the channel. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with my buddy Dan over at the RC VOODOO channel. Make sure you guys go over and check out RC VOODOO's channel. He's big into 3D printing parts, custom RCs. He's got a Red Cat, Axials, Traxxas, a little bit of everything. Lots of good content over there. Make sure you guys get over there and check him out. But what we plan to do is we're going to build scale garages. We've both wanted one for a while now, so we're finally ready to get started. For fun, we're going to call it the Scale Shop Showdown. And like I said, it's just going to be for fun. It's not a competition or a build-off to see who can build a better scale garage. Fact of the matter is, we both just want scale garages. He's got some plans for things he wants to do with his. I have some plans for things I want to do with mine. So we're just going to go ahead and roll with it and see, what we come up with. What we intend to do is bring you guys weekly uploads of the progress we're making on the garages, and we'll also be showing each other what we're doing and how it's coming along. And I'm just really looking forward to doing it. This is going to be really cool, I got a lot of plans, a lot of ideas. I've been slowly acquiring materials, parts, stuff like that to get started. I know RC VOODOO plans on making his mobile so that he could take it outside for photos or take it to RC shows to do displays with his parts and his trucks. So I've come to realize, I originally wanted to do that also, but I've just come to realize that I don't have anywhere to put it. If I were to build it, it would probably end up right here on the bench anyway. So I'm going to turn the bench into a scale garage. And I actually grew up working out of my dad's shop, and he's got a giant pole barn that was built by an Amish family years ago. And since I grew up working there, I think I want to try to replicate that on the bench. So, what I'd like to do is do some steel corrugated, or replicate some steel corrugated walls with some big heavy timber framing. And once I get the walls situated, I want to start building, some wooden workbenches and some scale shop equipment. Like I said, I've been gathering materials, so I have a bunch of balsa wood. And, scale 2x4s, plywood, 2x6s, 4x4s. So I'm going to build scale wooden benches. And I also plan to build a sandblast cabinet and some other shop equipment. And I'll be building all that stuff out of styrene and, hand painting it. And I'll also be doing some stuff for VOODOO and shipping it on down to him. And he's also going to be 3D printing some things and shipping them to me. So again, it's not a competition because I'll be doing some things for him and he'll be doing some things for me. So that way, it's just so in the end we both end up with a really awesome scale garage. There's some things I can do he can't. There's some things he can do I can't. So we're going to work together so that we both get, the best of both worlds there. I don't want to get too into it or give too much of it away, but as you can see over here, I have started getting some things in. We got the scale jack stands in, the engine hoist, wooden skid, 1 gallon antifreeze jugs, a little impact gun, all 3D printed stuff by VOODOO, all really nice stuff. His prints have come a long way. I was really surprised to see this stuff when I opened the box today. Everything looked really nice, really smooth. He's got it down now. And all that stuff will have to get detailed and painted and stuff like that too. I also recently picked up an airbrush setup, so maybe we can play with that during this project too. So there's a lot to do. This is going to be really cool. And there's no deadline on it. We're just going to do it until we're both satisfied with the garages we've built. And like I said, we're going to try to bring you weekly updates so that you guys can see the progress we're making, as well as he and I can see what each other have done. And one of the main reasons I'm doing this now is I'm actually looking forward to talking to you guys about this and getting any feedback and seeing what you guys think about it. And I'm also really interested to see if any of you guys have scale garages at home. And if you do, you know, I'd like to hear about them and talk to you guys. Maybe we can even exchange contact info and you guys could send me some pictures. I'd like to check them out, and if you guys are cool with it, I'd even like to put them on the channel for everyone who's watching to see what you guys are doing at home. I think that would be really cool. And I'm sure along the way I'll run into some issues and have some questions with some things that I'm not real sure about how to get through. So again, I like talking to you guys, so any ideas, tips, or help you guys can pass along, that'll be super awesome. And but I think that's it for now. I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. Just wanted to give you guys the update and start getting some feedback from you and see what you guys think about what we got coming up. And thanks for all the support. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good day, guys. Take care.